In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how to extend streak upfront on Duolingo. So firstly, open the Duolingo app, open your streak menu. As you can see, I got 4-day streak and I want to complete tomorrow's lesson. So all you have to do is to close the Duolingo and open settings. Now scroll down, go to general. Now click on date and time. Turn off set automatically option. Click on today's date and select the tomorrow's date. So tomorrow is the 4th of January. If I scroll down, you can see it's set to 4th of January. And now open the Duolingo and complete the lesson. Now I'm gonna speed up this. So now my streak was extended. You can check it on your streak menu. Now go back to settings. Repeat the process, select date and time and enable the set automatically option. Now close the Duolingo and open it again. Go to your streaks. Now I got the 4-day streak and as you can see here, I got also completed tomorrow's lesson. So tomorrow I will have 5-day streak without doing nothing. So this was how you can extend your streak in Duolingo. I hope you found it helpful. See you next time.